Hi and welcome to a new episode of Ali Tips and Made in China Reviews. I hope you like the new setting. Unfortunately, it's only temporary. My son's on holiday, so I can use his room for now. Unfortunately, my daughter is also on holiday, whereas this package is for her. I hope she doesn't mind. I'll do the unboxing without her. But on the other hand, if something bad would happen, it's better if she doesn't see that. You'll see one of the movies you'll see up in the corner shows how this toy can get damaged. We don't have a fireplace, but other things can also happen, so we'll do the testing without her. Hopefully the toy will survive. So without much ado, let's get on with opening the package. I've seen these already, but you've probably seen it at a much higher price. We've got this flying doll, USB charging cable. So let's see how it works. Where's the on switch? So as you can see, the toy is fairly idiot proof. Every time it crashes, you can just reset it and it starts working again. Of course, you need a large room to play with this, otherwise it collides with the walls. Let's try again. So if you want one like this, I'll throw in the link below. Quite inexpensive. So if yours got burnt in the fireplace, you can get a cheap replacement.